Do you forgot your screen lock on your Galaxy S25 Ultra? Don't panic. If you recently changed your screen lock, you can still use your previous one as long as it has been deleted yet. Let me show you how it works. Go to the lock screen. Let's say you switch from pattern to pin. When you enter the wrong pin several times on the lock screen, you will see forgot pin button. Tap it and you will be asked to enter your previous screen lock, in this case pattern. Just draw the pattern you used before. Now select the new screen lock you want to use. As the example, we will select pin again. Enter your new pin and then tap continue. Re-enter the same pin and then tap OK to confirm. And that's it. However, you have to remember that it only works if your phone still remembers the old screen lock. As a note, Samsung keeps it safe for 72 hours after the change. You can delete it early by going to the secure lock settings menu and then tap delete previous pattern, pin or password. The name depends on what you used before. So given to the function, this feature is super useful because if you ever forget the new lock, your older one saves the day as long as you don't delete it too soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.